Hello friends, we ordered these industrial metal tables from Ebooks Equipment. I'll be dropping their handle for our production facility, and we actually thought installing it would be so easy. At some point we had to involve a technician to come and help us out. So after trying, we decided to bring him in. Then while he was working, I had to record the entire process so that people would not struggle trying to set up or install their metal tables. If you've bought one of these tables or you're planning to, this video will show you the installation process and save you some time and stress. And also, if you're looking towards buying your own metal tables, I would recommend Ebooks Equipment because these tables are so durable and we've been using them for a while. There has been no issue whatsoever. So as you can see, we've installed the first one. That's what the technician is working with, the table where all those tools are on top. Very durable, as you can see. And in fact, if you've been watching my videos on YouTube, you would notice that I talk about metal tables because they are globally accepted and they are also safe for your food production. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share it with someone who needs it, and follow me for more practical food business and production tips. On my YouTube channel, I also share videos on food business. Kindly subscribe.